All right, so we got Brian is going to be installing a belt tensioner on the 2020 RT. Same belt tensioner as all the other previous years, 14 on up.
Yep. Like in any of our others, they come from the factory, 2 new pieces of hardware. And on the RTs, you've got 1 bolt up here at the front and 1 bolt that comes in from the back. They basically just lay it right on there. You get your bolts started. And I always like to kind of just get the roller lined up with the center of the belt. And then you tighten it down from there to factory spec.
Yeah. And that's the main thing, is just to make sure you get that thing square with the belt, because if you don't, it causes extra tension on the roller and bearings and everything else. And really, that's all there is to it on that. The thing on the 2020 is not going to be as easy to get to this section, so you basically got to pull all these panels off to get to it. But it can be done. It's not a big deal, but it may be something you want your dealer to do if you're not real handy with pulling panels and stuff off. It's definitely harder than the old ones, but not too bad. So that's it, guys. Thanks.